Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Profitorial. Now Profitorial is due to be released on Monday the 12th of April at 9 AM Eastern. It comes from Jason Fulton and Sean Ungundelli. Now this is Profitorial 2.0, but the reality is it's exactly the same product. The only thing they've done is allowed you to add your own domain name to the sites, which is obviously something good because obviously it's your site, then it's not under their kind of subdomains of their cloud-based app. The problem there is I can't see anywhere that you can actually download any of the information from this site to your own servers, so you've still not got any control of it. Now I may be wrong, but on this version of it I can't see any way you can do that. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is that you got a little bit more information that you can use before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of products like this online. If you're interested in these types of reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever we release new videos. So guys, let's have a look at the headlines very quickly. Built for newbies, 5 brand new done for you campaigns included, instant results within minutes, no spamming social media. Now that becomes very crucial when we look at the traffic sources. Traffic that converts into sales, complete automated software, step-by-step training included, white glove support team, 120 days, 3 times your money back guarantee. Now this support team, if you go into their Facebook group, they got no support team whatsoever. But there you are. Well, I'm interested in the 200 plus red hot traffic sources. This is what they're actually talking to you about here. So let's go ahead and look inside. Now this is the overall interface. Profitorial still up there, and again if I click on the training piece here, they have got training about how to go ahead and build the sites, how to go ahead and create your sites, monetization. So basically what you're doing here is you have a super simple the page builder which you're adding affiliate links to. That's it. That's basically the product. Nothing really wrong with that. That's what a lot of people do. What comes as a big problem is when you look at the type of sites it creates and whether you're actually going to rank them anywhere or whether everybody's actually going to be able to see them. Okay, so here we go. We go on. We got the done for you upgrades. There's an explanation of what all the done for you upgrades are, the platinum upgrades, and the premium training. And then there's this zero park tutorial at the bottom here, some of the bonus training. So that's the training included. Most of this is the same as the old stuff. Then you have your domain registrar. Now they've said this because this is another way that they can make money. Once you have a domain, you can go through each one of these, and these will all be affiliate links. And if you pay for a domain, they'll get a bit of cash. That's the reason they put them there. So that's the overall training. Now I'll go back and have a look at the sites that this creates. Now what this does is it creates kind of news type sites for your business, right? And these sites are just very poor. They're very poor quality, really poor page builder, all the usual stuff that you see of these types of products. So you go ahead and I'm going to have a look at this one. Let's just preview this one. I'm going to show you what this, and you know, as soon as I click on these are all non-secure. This is supposed to be the version they're giving out to JVs, and none of it is SSL'd, secured, and you know, really cheap. But there you go. Go ahead, and I'm going to go make sure I don't get any bugs off this thing on my computer. But this is supposed to be a healthy news, and you've got all of these different types of news articles that it brings in to this particular site. And the idea is that somebody would come along through your link and see some of this stuff, and then if there was any kind of affiliate links on here, like here, they could go ahead and click these and you would make money. That's the idea. Big issue here is when you're actually doing affiliate marketing, one of the big issues is that people don't always buy on the first time they get exposed to one of your offers, right? Now, what you normally do is you set up a email marketing campaign, which is why it's very critical to capture leads. Now on here, there's no kind of way to capture leads as far as I can see. I'm going to go into the page builder, we'll have a look, but I can't see anywhere on these particular sites where you can capture leads. Now, so we'll have a look at the different sites. Now what you can do is when you go ahead and create this, now this version has had too many people on here already creating sites, you get all of these templates, right? And a lot of them are actually impersonating other type sites. So you've got one here that's the Mirror newspaper site, which is kind of impersonating that as if you're sending someone over to the Mirror. You're going to end up with a copyright issue here if somebody ever catches you using their logos and their sites to make money, right? And if you want to start a real business and a real ethical business online, this is not the way to go. These are just very poor kind of pages that people have put together. There's the mirror one, look. And you're taking all of this text and these images, and unless you're crediting it back to the original source, you're breaking copyright law. Simple as that. Just jumped over to this page I did earlier. I want to see whether there's any kind of contact form on here. So if I edit this, I can't see anywhere. If I look at the components where I can actually add a contact form to collect people as leads. Now, if you can't do that on your site, if anybody does visit, which I don't think they will do, to be quite honest, you're not going to be able to capture any details off them. So I can't see that actually here. I may be wrong on that one, but it's a big problem if it's not here, guys, because these sites are just not going to have any kind of appeal if they come over and look at this site. They're very, very low quality, and you're not going to get any traffic over to them. If I do look at the traffic on the actual sites, they're saying that this is one of the traffic sources, which is basically sharing it to a bunch of social media sites. Now, they did just say that on the sales page, they weren't going to have a product that you spam social media sites with, and the only traffic that they actually have on here is social media sites where you'll be spamming them a link over to your site. So that's completely rubbish. Okay, so we'll go back here and have a look at the actual traffic on there. This is a link to add to any, which is a website that you can go ahead and use freely on any kind of page. And this is where all of the 200 plus traffic sources are. Let me just go check that. Do they say 200 there? There's 200 plus traffic sources on here. Now, if you look at some of these traffic sources, guys, you've got stuff like Trello, which is a project management software. How are you going to share your links to a project management software? What is that going to do? Who's going to see it? You know, you have other ones like, you got Reddit and all of that stuff that we all know about that. But you go things like Google Bookmarks, push to Kindle. You're going to somehow push it on Kindle. You got sites like Print Friendly. I mean, who's going to see some of your pages on some of these sites? They're just nonsense, right? So unless you have a following on any of these sites, you will not get any traffic over to any page, however the quality. That's the simple fact of the matter, guys. So I don't care how good this page builder is, and I think it's a very, very poor page builder. They're giving you existing content that they've grabbed from the web. It's all copyright unless you go ahead and you have set it up correctly, like someone like BuzzFeed does, where they go and set it up and they give credit back to the original author of all of the articles on there, and you can click through them and go straight back to the websites they originate from. Unless it's all set up like that, you are breaking a lot of copyright laws. And the fact is, with this product, you are going to get zero traffic to any of these silly sites that you're creating. Now, guys, if you want to learn how to do this correctly, I've got some completely free training down in the description below over to the School of Nomads. It's an action plan there that will teach you how to set this up step by step, and it'll teach you how to set something up properly. But that's completely up to you guys. If you want to grab that, it's down in the description below over to the School of Nomads. Now let's just jump to the Done For You products pack. Now, these are just existing products of some of the affiliate networks like ClickBank, like Warrior Plus, like JVZoo. You've got Amazon there, AliExpress, all of these kind of standard stuff that you can go ahead and find products. And then you got some affiliate products here that you can go ahead and promote. So this is their Done For You stuff. The problem is, once you link up your pages and add your affiliate links, nobody's going to come along and see them. They're really not, guys. No. You go to the upgrades here. You have an unlimited platinum upgrade. Just go ahead and click there. Click on this to see that one. Now, the platinum upgrade has got, do you know that you can 100 times your Profitorial results with one click? I bet you can't. But if you go ahead and get access to this, that's $37 if I wanted to purchase that now. But if I come off the page, I can get $5 off. Now, there'll all be discounts on all of these, guys. So if you do go ahead and purchase these, which I don't advise you to, you will see there is money off each one of these. So go back. Let's have a look at the Done For You. There's 80 Done For You Nitro profit sites. The problem is here, guys, when you have all these Done For You profit sites, I might be like a stuck record here telling you this stuff. When you're into affiliate marketing, you need to kind of decide on your niche and create value within that niche, and then offer people goods and services on the back end to actually make money. What you can't have is this scattergun approach, because you've got to think about how do you get traffic to 80 done-for-you profit nitro sites? Where's the traffic going to come from? Where are you going to put those links that people are going to come over and see those sites? Okay, so think about when you're actually starting this. If you're serious, right, think about how do I build a business in a niche, create value, and then recommend products. That's affiliate marketing. This isn't affiliate marketing. This is called spamming. Simple as that. So you have a done for you sites there. Sorry guys, I'm on a bit of a rant today, but there you are. So want us to set up a profitable account for you. They'll go ahead and do that, but they want to see $197 to do that. You know, some of these upgrades, the price of them is just extreme. So you get $100 off that just by moving off the page. That's a great discount there. A discount on something you didn't need to buy in the first place is not a discount, by the way. Let's go back. That's the done for you. OTO3 done for you traffic system. Get guaranteed human traffic to your videos or websites anytime you want. 100% effective new traffic source. So they're going to give you guaranteed traffic. So see how much this one is. Just want to go get access now. That's $97, guys. And then obviously if you come back off that, then that is going to be, let's have a look, $77. There's there's $20 off that one. And then OTO4 is a premium upgrade. $67, guys. Come off that, it's $47. And then last one, well, they'll probably not. No, it's not the last one. OTO5, you have this Profitorial, fuel your account with more free traffic and explode your profits. I tell you what, guys, whoever buys all these OTOs is going to have a lot of free traffic on their hands. That's $77. If these guys can get so much traffic and guarantee you traffic, right, why would they pay any kind of affiliates to sell this product with them? If they're so good at generating traffic, why do I give away half my products to sell this product? So there you go. That's $47 if you go ahead and get that discount. And then the very last one is the license rights. You can sell this and you can pocket up to $701 per sale and get the reseller rights to this particular product for $197. And if you come back up to the top, you get another $100 off. So guys, this is a lot of money you're going to spend on this. This is nearly $600 worth of OTOs as well on a product that really isn't going to deliver anything. If I just go back to the sales page, I want to show you something about these types of sellers. If you just come down here, their last product was called Ghosted, and it was a completely different product. And if you go down here, all of the sales page, everything's exactly the same. If you come down here, you look at some of this money proof here. This is a completely different product. Okay, so you come here, they're going to say that this site here, this working mom site, is earning them $1,142. They go over here, and this particular product, which is completely different, is earning them exactly the same amount of money. And then you come here, $921.71 and $921.73, not 71.73. So guys, you gotta take a step back and realize what's happening here. This is all a shiny sales page for a product that's not going to give you absolutely anything. Now, if you're serious about building a business online, I have got a completely free action plan below. You can go ahead and grab that if you want and really learn how to do this, but I would advise you not to touch these types of products at all. You're going to spend a lot of money and waste a lot of time. So guys, I hope this is of value to you, and if it was, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And you can always give me a like and let me know if in the comments if you agree with this review, or if you disagree with this review. I'd love to know anybody who's bought this type of product, especially this one, and actually made any money off it. So I hope that was useful to you. Until next time, guys, take care.